Good day. Thank you so much for taking the time to come in and meet with us today. My name is Faith and I am the personal manager here at Brighterview EdTech platform. We are really excited to learn more about your background and see how your skills align with our online teaching team. To start us off, could you please introduce yourself and share a bit about your background, specifically highlighting the relevant skills you bring to this math tutor position?
Good day, Miss Smith. Thank you so much for having me. I am Renalyn Karam, a student currently taking up accountancy. And over the past few years, academically, math has been one of my strongest suits. But what really helps me as a tutor is my ability to break down complex ideas or concepts into simple, step by step concepts that learners can actually visualize. I'm really excited about the opportunity to bring that energy and patient approach here.
Thank you for sharing that. It gives us great starting framework for your experience. Building on the same background and skills you just mentioned, what would you say is your greatest strength when it comes to teaching or managing a student's workload, and how do you apply it practically?
I think my greatest strength is my patience when a learner is moving slowly. To help them manage their workload, I like to use simple examples like real world examples to explain concepts so they don't get overwhelmed. I also make sure to break big assignments into small pieces and give them short brain breaks so they don't lose focus.
It sounds like that strength will be incredibly valuable when working one-on-one with learners. On the flip side of that, we all have areas where we can improve. So, do you do you consider to be your biggest weakness, or what do you consider to be your biggest weakness, and what steps are you actively taking to manage or overcome it?
My biggest weakness is that I tend to talk too much or over explain things when I get worried that the student doesn't understand. This sometimes eats up too much over lesson time too. And to fix this, I use a timer to stay on track and I ask the learner to explain the step back on me so I know when to stop talking.
I really appreciate your self-awareness and your proactive approach to handling that challenge. Looking at the bigger picture of your career journey, where do you see yourself professionally 10 years from now? And how does this smart tutoring role fit into that long-term vision?
10 years from now, I hope to be a certified accountant who also teaches accounting or financial literacy to students. And this math tutoring role is perfect for me because it will help me build the foundation, teaching, and communication skills I will need in the classroom. It also allows me to practice explaining concepts, ideas, or complex ideas, and problem solving to students in a way that is simple and easy to understand.
That is a great vision, and it is wonderful to see how you connect your current steps to your long-term future. For our final question, let's look at a practical scenario. How would you handle a situation where a young student is completely unmotivated, frustrated, or struggling to grasp a basic math concept during your session?
If a student is frustrated, I will stop the math lesson immediately and tell them that it is okay to find it hard. Then I will find a way to make the lesson interesting for them and for them to change their mood. I will give them a very easy problem first so they can get a small win and build their confidence back up.
Thank you, Renaline. Those are all the formal questions I have for you today, and I truly appreciate your answers. Before we wrap up, do you have any questions for me about the job, the company, or the benefits we offer to our tutors?
Yes, actually, I do. Could you tell me how you check if a tutor is doing a good job here? And also, do you offer any training or help for new tutors to learn your teaching style?
Those are great questions, Ronald. We measure success by how much a student's confidence grows and how happy they are during their lessons. For your second question, yes, we provide full training sessions when you start. And we will pair you with an experienced tutor who can guide you and share tips during your first month.
Okay, that sounds very helpful and supportive. It makes me feel much more confident and knowing that you help new tutors like me grow. Thank you so much for explaining that to me.
You are very welcome. It was a pleasure talking to you today, Renalyn. We will finish our interviews by the end of this week, and we will send you an email about the next steps.
Thank you so much for your time and for this opportunity. I hope you have a great day ahead.
Thank you. Take care and have a great day too.